Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video, and in this video I will show you how to turn a PNG into vector. So let's open our Photoshop software, and as you can see there's a PNG here, but I want to turn it into a vector. How can I do it? It's really simple. First, select the complete PNG. To do that, right click on its thumbnail and then click on select pixels. As you can see, the whole PNG is traced. And then right click on it and select make work path. You don't really need so much tolerance, one is fine. Hit OK. And then hover over the path selection tool, right click on it and then click on direct selection tool. Then again right click on your PNG and then click on create vector mask. And as you can see, my vector mask is created. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.